Hello, we are here. Ugh, sorry, well, being a bit late. Doggies needed sorting and whatnot, so we're here though. Hey Thomas, how you doing? And the reason why the music's always playing in the background is because I literally just leave the game running while the pre-stream is going. Makes it easier. But agenda for the day, let's actually just move over just a little bit. Back there. There we go. So, we're pretty much near the end of Ratchet 3. Or Up Your Arsenal, as it is in America. So the aim is, we'll finish that off. Depending on how long we've been going, by the time we finish that, we will jump straight into Gladiator, or Deadlocked, as it's called in America. Now, if we do go into Gladiator, we'll probably do the rest of the day in there. And then we're going to look into just having a day away from the Ratchet series. But now, let's just go straight into it. The hair's still there, it's wet. So I'm just putting the hood up to protect the headphones. How's your day been, Thomas, anyway? Been good? Not bad, just work.
Look, there it is. But how are we supposed to take it out? My biggest gun wouldn't even put a dent in that thing.
Then we will need a bigger gun.
Yeah, right. Where are we gonna get that kind of firepower?
Found it.
Huh? Whoa. Yeah, that ought to do it.
If you can get me inside the command center, I can override the targeting system and take control of that ion cannon.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Now, today's special offer is a plasma coil. Mint condition, still in the box. See you soon.
Of course, as soon as we get somewhere, he's got something else. It's not been too bad today. I can my talking's still not 100%, but it was a good day because as long as I dunk my biscuits in tea, I can eat biscuits. And that was a revelation today. You have no idea. Apart from that, today's been pretty quiet work-wise. Just a few annoying issues I had to deal with, but nothing much. Oh, definitely. But I was so happy I could have biscuits. You have no idea. Biscuits are one of my biggest vices, so being able to eat them again was honestly a godsend. I'm so close to getting that, so we might as well just drop into the sewers and get some cash. Oh, it's not that one. Cake. The way I deal with it is biscuits go soft if you leave them out. Cakes go hard if you leave them out. But also, it's in the name. But Jaffa Cakes are a winner. Right, let's just get enough cash to level up the whatchamacallit. Oh no, to not level up, to unlock the what's it thing? I can't remember the name of it already. People who say Jaffa Cake is a biscuit, there's just something wrong. Oh yeah, weird camera time. We shouldn't be in here long, because it seems like you get quite a decent amount of money from these guys. We literally just need 2,500. No, 250,000, sorry. That's what we need. I haven't had them in so long. Although, you have no idea how much, like, of the different foods I'm going to eat when I'm able to. Oh, just these guys should get us enough money. And boom, we're sorted. Let's go back. No, we're not getting the duck gun. We're gonna get the plasma coil because it's useful. I may get the duck gun later on. I tell you what, look online and let me know if it is OP. If it's OP, then sure, we'll get it. If it's trash like the last Sheepinator was, then we're not getting it. I've got a feeling we've only got maybe like 1 or 2 planets left before we finish this anyway, so I've got a feeling this is going to be a very short Ratchet 3 video. I'm going to wait just for your response, Tom, on this, because if you say it's OP, we'll look at getting it. I'll have a bit of a look as well myself. Oh, I actually remember now. They can... I think I've seen it. You can turn them into like phoenixes and stuff. I think what we'll do, we'll buy this, but I'm going to keep all these saves anyway. Because I think what I might do at some point in future, like maybe I've gotten a bit bored of other games or I just want to come back and chill in these, I might do a challenge mode run. Just skipping all the cutscenes kind of thing, and just test out some of the other silly weapons there is. It's going to be a while away because we've still got all the other games to get through, the Jack series to get through, the Sly series to get through. I'm hoping the Sly and Jack HD remasters are actually well done. I've heard bad things about the Jack one from the PlayStation 4 remake anyway. Right, anything new in here? Nope, just the duck gun, that's fine. What we got? Single path. Oh. These guys now have guns. Okay. Oh, hi. I like this gun. It's got a decent range. I really need to play it through because I've only ever played the demos, and I think I've played Sly 1, but I never got through the other Sly games. Oh, hello, big dude. Well, that worked. Why do I feel like there'd be something hidden down here? How many Sly games is there? I know there's 1, 2, and 3, but was there more than that? Because I remember at one point they was going to do a Sly movie as well because of the Ratchet movie. Would have been very interesting seeing a Sly movie.
jackpot crate multiplies all bulk and experience gained for a limited time.
Why is there so many of these guys? So many enemies. Yeah, I never saw it, and I'm not really interested in going to watch it either. I'm not gonna lie, it looks absolutely awful. Oh, hi, there's another one. Money. I think that's the easiest way of saying it. Money. They know it's a big franchise, so they know that people will see it. I never saw the AC one either, but I kind of fell out of love with the AC series. Was there stuff up on here? I feel like there is. No. Which is kind of awkward about the AC one was shit, because Michael Fassbender is a really good actor. Is he gonna die, or... There we go. Oh, 1 second. Yeah? What's up? I'm being called to see something. I'm guessing doggy related. 1 moment. Well, that was interesting to see. She's laid down on the sofa and Neo's decided to lay on my wife's head. So she can't go anywhere at the minute. Any more? Any more? Do you look like it? Oh, okay. There you are. And they all just killed each other then, didn't they? No, he's pretty much asleep on her head. So many of these guys, go away. Any more? He just goes to sleep and like, as long as he's laying on you, he just goes to sleep. He's happy to just sleep. Which is awkward at night, because he wants to try and like come up on the bed and sleep on you, but we can't have him do that. Oh. There is a titanium bolt over there. Okay. Is there a specific path I have to take, or is there an invisible wall there? Because that'd be kind of bull if there's an invisible wall. Okay, there isn't an invisible wall. I must have just hit something. That was confusing. No, you were... I hit something that made it look like an invisible wall. Which was weird. I wonder if I just hit that little light there. Right, let's continue. Oh wow. Just destroyed all of that stuff. Those guys like to shoot each other. Right, we aren't dealing with that big dude. There we go. Those guys just keep killing themselves, I've noticed. Like, I've barely been shooting some of these little guys and they've been killing each other. Ooh, liquid nitrogen gun. Sub-Zero liquid that freezes enemies and then shatters them. Okay. Cool. I guess now we need to just focus on this obliterator thing. Oh, I'm out. More? More? Damn it. Do I have anything I need to level up? Display gun. Dead. Dead. More? Dead. More? I think we're good. Finally. This area gives a lot of gold bolts. I wonder what this is. Oh, look at this. Titanium bolt. Who would have thought? There's all these lights are giving me like a ridiculous amount of gold bolts. Yeah, like the other games, it was quite difficult to like farm bolts at times, especially the first one. You got barely any in the first one. And this one, you just like, oh, here's some bolts. Oh, got a feeling there's a delivery driver outside. Jeez. I don't think anyone's gonna ever catch up with Becky. I think she has something like 400,000 channel points. But that's because her stream's always on, because she's one of the moderators, so... Oh, hello. This is a new enemy. And it was one of the easiest enemies we've dealt with. When she drops into the chat, I'll have to get her to let us know, like, exactly how many she has. Because, like I said, she's got a lot. No. She knows that we'd have a falling out. We'd have words if she maybe do stuff like that. Oh. That was easy enough. Plus, I don't think it'd be physically possible for me to ever plank for that amount of time. No matter how healthy I was. This plasma coil is really good. Oh, I had the bonus. Yes, plasma coil upgrade. At the minute, probably not that many. I usually do like 10 per like, what's it? If I can get myself back into training, I'd be able to do a lot more than I currently can. But I just don't train at the minute. That clip was awesome. It went straight onto YouTube.
Agent Clank! What's going on here? What do you think you're doing?
After all those hollow films, there is one thing you should know by now. Do not mess with Agent Clank. Incoming call from the Phoenix.
Nice shooting, Clank. There's no telling how many lives you just saved. But we're not done yet.
Huh?
Al just finished decoding the data disk. Nefarious secretly constructed a second biobliterator.
I've always thought this bit
Even
was
more
stupid.
dangerous than the one you just destroyed.
Where is it?
Nefarious has a master control center on planet Mylon. We believe the last biobliterator is there now, guarded by an entire robot army.
Then we better get moving.
Be careful, guys. This time, they know you're coming.
It's like, you just saved the planet. Oh, by the way, he had another one. So yeah, could you go do with that one as well, please? So stupid, but fair enough. This planet, oh, there's a secret over there. Let's go check the secret first. Wait, that's that ledge. That's all it was. Battle my way to the launch site. Let's do this.
I'll
Tomorrow-
bet you miss your old shield charger,
I don't.
huh? Lucky for
I don't miss that shield charger at all. Tomorrow is probably going to be a bit of a relaxing day. Obviously got the podcast on, but apart from that, I'm not really going to be doing much. Just going to be relaxing. Probably play some games. Play with the dogs. Not really going to be a busy day, which I'm kind of glad of. I don't get very many chill out days at the minute, so what about you, dude? Any plans? Get wrecked. Oh, okay. That was interesting.
Ratchet, you're going to need the tour guide.
Tour guys. Oh, is it out on like PlayStation 4 then? Is there like a remaster of it? Ah, bollocks. Ah. That is a game I've been meaning to look at, so I will look at potentially trying that out at some point. Yeah, I saw originally it was a PlayStation 2, and I think it was original Xbox as well, wasn't it? Fair, there was a few like Xbox exclusives, like the original Xbox, that I wouldn't mind trying. That just looked interesting. Oh my god, this guy just isn't letting me through. I'm gonna flirt my way through. So what is that game actually like? What's What's Psychonauts 2 actually like? 'Cause I've never seen gameplay. Is it like this kind of game, platforming adventure, or... Oh, shit. Or is it like... Can I... Oh. So... Or is it more like a collectathon, like, say, the first Jack game is? Adventure, okay. Lawrence doesn't like the colour of this force field. He says it clashes with his trousers and he wants it deactivated immediately. So like type platforming, kind of like Crash, maybe platforming style. I love games like that where they've got like a timeless feel to them. There's quite a few games that's like that. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I mean, like, there's some great PlayStation 2. I mean, I played, oh, what was it? Metal Gear Solid 3, literally, every year. Like, literally once a year. Just, I love that game so much, Metal Gear Solid 3. I just wanted the bolts, that's why I ran through you guys. Okay, plasma coil. Chill. I need... you. I want to get this thing leveled up to the max as well before the last boss. Oh, yeah, screw that. I tried playing grounded mode like once or twice and it's so difficult. I mean, I love the premise because it actually works with the way the game's like designed and stuff, but my god, I've got no chance of ever doing that. And the trophy. I think I've only got a handful of platinums. I've got Spider-Man platinumed, which was cool. I don't think of any others I've got platinumed. That's like the one I know I have platinumed, and the rest I'm not really sure. I know I've got a lot that are like 90%. And there's like maybe 1 or 2 trophies left to platinum. But some of those like trophies that I'm trying to get are crazy difficult. That was very close. I enjoyed the Spider-Man game, don't get me wrong. It had issues, personally. Issues I hope they can resolve in a full sequel, because I know that Miles Morales has some of the same issues I've found, from what I've heard. but it was a good game. Really good looking, good story, voice acting was good. My main issues were stuff like the stealth was very half-baked. It was an all-in kind of combat system with the like there were times where it was like you had the buildings that you had to clear out, and you could stealthily take out the first wave, but the second wave would always come in and see you no matter what, which really bothered me. I wish I was able to stealth the entire thing. Oh, I've got no chance of getting plat for the Uncharted games. I love those games, but I'm just not good enough. Forgot I got the bouncers to level up as well. Oh, leveled up. I don't know where that plasma coil is. I've got a feeling it's not on my wheel, is it? It is not. Let us replace... What's this thing? Let's replace the warp pad. It's very limited use, that. Yeah, the bouncer's definitely one of the best guns in the game.
Press square to attach the wrench to
I hope that Naughty Dog can get back to making something a bit better, because I mean, like I said, Uncharted, Last of Us 2 was good, but nothing more than good, in my opinion. So what I really want them to do is to go back to the Jack series and do a proper sequel to the Jack series. I mean, if you enjoyed Last of Us 1, Last of Us 2 is worth playing. The main issue I have is it feels like they wrote the script for the game, and then rather than having it how they wrote it, they threw it in the air, picked up all the pages, and decided that's how they was going to portray it. I am so low health, I've just realised. Yeah, that's a dick move. I try to avoid spoilers. I think that's the reason why I bought it as early as I did. Because I couldn't avoid spoilers, and I wanted to know what happened.
We're too late.
Have they announced anything for them, or is it still hush hush? Because Playdead are very good developers.
There it is! Nefarious has already initiated the launch sequence. If that thing gets into space, Velden won't have a chance.
That's not gonna happen.
I'll have to have a look at the concept art after the stream. Concept art is always cool to look at. Oh, okay. That one just hit me out of nowhere.
You again? You will pay for your insolence, you miserable rodent. You'll regret.
Sorry, Nefarious. Your flight's been canceled.
Lawrence!
Lawrence? Lawrence!
How can I be of assistance?
Annihilate him!
Just kidding. You've reached my holographic voicemail. Leave your name and a brief message. Ta-ta!
The worst kind of people.
I'll do it myself.
Ah!
Really? I mean, that's right, Nefarious. Your reign of terror is finally...
I mean, you fell for it. Oh. That didn't happen. Didn't happen. This is the first time I'm fighting Nefarious. Oh, that's cool. Knowing someone that's working in the studio. Game studios are very cool places, I'm not gonna lie. I did really enjoy working in them. Or at least in the one I worked in. Yes.
The all-powerful.
The Decimator. Oh my god, what the hell is... He's got the shoot the whoop. Where did he get the shoot the whoop from? Where? I want the shoot the whoop as well. Can I get a shoot the whoop like that? That thing's ridiculous. Oh, wrong buttons. I don't know. No. Not allowed to. Can't clip that. No, it's not allowed. That's mean. That's the issue. That's why I don't want it to be there. I can't escape it. What's he doing? Oh, shoot the loop again. Go away will you shoot the whoop. Just realised I should probably get some of these out. Maybe a few of these out as well. Oh my god, where the hell are these? What the hell? I couldn't escape that. What the hell was that? Alright. Just gonna throw a load of these down. Let them do the work for me. They beat him. I'm hoping that that will spawn a bit more health for me before we leave the area. Because I've not been focusing very well at all. Oh my god. I'm really not... I don't know what I'm doing now. I'm failing miserably. Oh, okay. Why is it doing a cutscene again? How much health did he have left? I wasn't focusing on it. I basically ignore boss health bars while I'm fighting them. Just because I know if I focus on them, I'll fail. Yes. Level 3. I literally couldn't move. Damn it. Right. I love how they're literally nukes. Oh, I'm messing up now. I messed up my timing. There we go, that's him gone again. 112, Jesus Christ, that was, so I literally was like right there. Right, this time we're actually going to put down all the different like deployables. I love this plasma coil, it's so good. Right, let's avoid the shoot the whoop. Should have got the dog gun. No, the plasma coil was so good. Yeah, we only got 100 health though. I'm kind of sad I missed seeing when I had 69 health though. I feel like I let the team down there. Bit late, you guys. I'll let them get that guy. Let them feel like they've done something. Just fire literally everything at the guy. He can't actually reach me from this range, I've just realised. Right, that's all out of ammo as well. Ooh, splitter rifle. Forgot about this thing. Ow. Ow. No! No, I thought if I stood up there, I'd get to avoid it. What do we have? What do we have? Nitro Ruptor. Rift Tripper? No, that won't work. This will have to do. Did we get him? Yes!
Is this important, sir? It's almost time for my solo.
Begin the transformation!
I call it Base Odyssey.
Now, Lawrence!
If you insist.
Wait, what? I thought that was a dehumanizer thingy, not a big old robot. Yeah, I was never gonna 360 no scope for that.
Congratulations.
Oh.
You have reached your maximum nanotech.
Okay.
level.
Interesting. I'm literally just going to ignore all the other ships and just focus on this guy. Somehow this is working, just like bopping up and down while spinning in circles. This is definitely much easier than the, yeah, that was a lot easier. And yeah, it probably is a Hoover that they recorded.
Humiliation! Defeated by squishes! Oh, I'll never live this down!
Warning. Reactor detonation in 60 seconds.
Lawrence, engage the teleporter.
Would you care to specify a destination, sir?
Who cares? Just get us out of here.
Time's up.
What? That wasn't even close to 60 seconds!
Bye-bye.
We're live from the star-studded premiere of the latest Holo film in the Secret Agent Clank series. The atmosphere is positively electric as thousands of fanatical fans clamor for a glimpse of their favorite celebrities.
All the characters in there is pretty cool. Oh, not those guys from number 2.
Agent Clank, it seems your luck has finally run out. The time has come to say goodbye. Your tricks won't do you any good this time, Agent Clank. I have been waiting for this moment a long time, and now I am going to blow you into a million pieces! Get this thing off me!
Really?
Well, he got that monkey off his back.
Oh, and the kiss.
Do not even think about it.
So the ending feels a bit rushed there, not gonna lie.
What do you mean we can't teleport to a planet?
I'm afraid we're well out of range, sir. Perhaps if you had bothered to specify a destination.
When will we be in range?
Oh, I'm sure something will come along in, say, 5 or 10,000 years.
Ah! I don't believe this! Now what?
I don't suppose you can play drums.
That one. Okay, so
My Blargian snaggle beast devours your.
let's just skip all of this. Just lower the volume a bit. So, thoughts. Gameplay wise, pretty much nailed it. The movement was nice. The combat was nice. There wasn't a lot of puzzles or anything from what I noticed, but there was just the right amount. Cam sucked in the sewers, yeah, definitely. Where's all my guns? I say, why is there no guns? Just while I'm talking over what I liked, we'll just get a few. We'll just turn this down and we'll just go through. Bouncer is OP, yes. So I liked the gameplay. I do feel like the level design took a bit of a backseat at times. Like there wasn't as many like random levels with just like cool stuff to do. It felt like it was like a lot more levels of just we have one path and only one path. I preferred the story in 2, but this story was still good. Still a good game. Still really fun to play. But I feel like 2's ever so slightly better for me personally. I'm not really a rating out of 10 guy, but when I put it into the perspective of the others, I'd say Ratchet, the first one, I'd say like an 8 out of 10 for an initial game. Ratchet 2, I'd say, was like more of a 9 for me personally. And then this one, I'd say, is more of an 8 as well. I know Deadlocked is just pretty much combat, so it's going to be interesting to do that. So I think we're going to... Let's close... Just shoot these guys out of the sky, because it's fun. We're going to... What specials? So we didn't barely unlock any of the skill points. Obviously, there's all the skins. We did get Tuxedo. Yeah, we got barely any. But that's fine. That's only, you're allowed 10%. Or was it 5%? That should be alright. But yeah, so what we're going to do, we're going to just quickly go to this screen. Oh, you're not allowed any over at all. I thought there was a 10%. We're going to quit out the game. No, that sucks. I thought you would have done. Which essay is it for? And we're now on to Ratchet Gladiator. So let's quickly update the stream info. Ratchet deadlocked. Semantic memory and communication. I'm ready for dinner whenever you are.